Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold comes to us from some of my favorite people, Don and Meredith Clampett and the gang of Clampett Paper in Dallas, Texas. This was a piece that was designed to promote a special event that they were hosting called Invitation Only. And it's an exhibit of the best in invitation design, so it seems only fitting that the invitation to the event was equally spectacular. So this piece was a collaboration between Matchbox Studio of Dallas, Texas Graphic Resource for printing, and Metro VCS for finishing. So I just think you're going to love this. This is so neat. So the piece on the outside, this is, by the way, Curious Skin, and there's 3 different colors of Curious. It's 91-pound text. It's got a beautiful, it's got a gold seal on the outside. It looks like a custom envelope. There's metallic ink, this beautiful cobalt blue. And when you open it, you realize it's actually an iron cross with pointed panels. And that leads you to the next piece, which is nested inside. I love the design, by the way. So it opens up again. It's got some more information. Each one has a little bit of information about the event as you're revealing. So here's another one. This one is a little bit smaller, nests in there. And then this one is the smallest and nests in there. And again, just beautiful graphics, gorgeous custom gold metallic ink that is printed on Curious Skin, so it has a really nice feel. And then when you finally get to the inside, this is Savoy 110-pound cover, and this is gold foil stamped. It has a belly band on it. There's also, the response mechanism. This has a couple different pieces in there that are belly banded together. Just the most beautiful opening experience. I love how these are each, die cut, score, fold, and nest. Each one is a little bit smaller than the other. The colors are great. The design is so gorgeous. And it just, it just says you have to be at this event. This is beautiful. What a beautiful, beautiful piece. So I hope you like it. You must. You have to. There's no way to not like this. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Nested iron cross invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, diamonds, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.